Well, good morning folks, Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. Look at that amazing view. Off in the distance there, down the edge of the valley, is the Woodhead Reservoir. Spent the night pitched up here. It's been alright actually. I forgot my sleeping bag liner, so it was a little bit too cold. But other than that, really good. And you know, when you wake up to something like this, you know, you forget about the small stuff like keep it warm at night. Absolutely beautiful.